Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Constant Spring Road and we are taking a look at this massive building that is being constructed across from the Scotiabank. Now this building is going to be used by BPO companies. It's going to be a call center building. Now it's going to be 7 floors and it looks like they've reached 6 floors, so they probably have one more floor to go. So this is the top of Constant Spring Road, close to the Manor Park area. Now there is a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. Everywhere you look, you have buildings going up. So this one is across from the Scotiabank. And as you go further down Constant Spring Road, they're actually building a plaza very close to the Shortwood Road stoplight. It's just a little up from there. And then as you go further down, they're building, is it Constant Spring Road? There's another building right as you cross over Shortwood Road on the left. That one is a commercial building, like office space. And that one is close to being finished. So there is a lot of construction going on in Jamaica. And further up from this building on the right, they just opened a mall recently, a plaza, True Value Plaza, not True Value, Super Value. All right, so this building looks like it's going to be finished probably early next year, and it's being done by a Chinese contractor, and it seems to be moving rather quickly. Now, the BPO industry in Jamaica is doing very well. They literally don't have enough space. The demand for space, they just don't have enough space for the BPOs. There is a 10-story building that's being built in Halfway Tree at 58 Halfway Tree Road, fully booked out. BPOs have booked out the entire building. Although I think that one is one company, because there's a BPO company that operates at 58 Halfway Tree, and they have all the buildings there they operate. And then the Usain Bolt building is being built on Hope Road, right across from Andrews Hospital, another 10-story building. And there you can see the name of the company that's doing the work. The Usain Bolt building across from Andrews Hospital is also going to be a 10-story building, and it is going to be for BPOs also. And that's the second Usain Bolt building. There's another one on Halfway Tree Road, right by the bank, well, one of the banks, and it's finished and it's fully booked out, BPOs. So the BPO industry is doing very well in Jamaica, and it's expanding, and they need more office space. And in Portmore, they actually built a massive building down there. So all over the island, BPOs are expanding. This building doesn't have a name. It would be so much easier if they put up a sign with the picture of what the building is going to look like when it's finished, and they give the building a name, but that was not done here. So we just refer to this as the call center building on Constant Spring Road. And Constant Spring Road was recently upgraded to a 4-lane dual carriageway. So the flow of traffic on Constant Spring Road is very smooth. The road upgrade was under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and you no longer have the delays on Constant Spring Road that you once did. They put in a lot of street lights, and the flow of traffic is very smooth, even in peak hour. A big improvement. All right, so we're heading out to Constant Spring Road now. Straight across on the left, you can see the Scotiabank. And we're going to show you how nice the road looks now. Here you can see it. 4-lane dual carriageway with a Jersey barrier in the middle. Now somebody asks why we don't have green space in between the road, why we use the Jersey barriers in Jamaica. Well, on some roads. And the answer is indiscipline on the roads. If you had a grass struck a separator between the two roads, and it was grass, people would just drive over it. And take, for example, this building. Let's say you want to go there. Persons would just turn, block the road for the incoming traffic, and turn. It happens all the time. Even with these Jersey barriers, they have space for the pedestrian crossings. And cars were turning there, making U-turns there. They had to put up like a metal post to prevent it from happening. There's a lot of indiscipline on the roads. Okay, on the right now, straight ahead on the right, as we pass the light, that's the new plaza I was talking about. True Value Supercenter. And we're heading up towards the Manor Park area. Very nice plaza. Well done. Very successful. Follows all the rules you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Has a supermarket, has food stores, and it's built in a populated area. Okay, coming up on the left now is the Constant Spring Tax Office, but the official name is the St. Andrew Revenue Center. On the right is the entrance to Immaculate Conception High School, one of the top high schools in Jamaica. And then that's Pepper Time on the right. They sell some very nice chicken. And on the left, you have a Juicy Patties as well as a football field. Now, on the right, you have the Constant Spring Golf Club. And that is prime real estate. Can you imagine having a golf club with acres upon acres of land right here in Manor Park? If they were to ever sell that, oh my gosh, the amount of apartments you could put up over there. But there are no such plans in the works. Actually, that land is actually owned by Immaculate Conception High School. And then the golf club goes across the road. And the section of the land across the road, this is Olivier Road. The golf club goes from Olivier Road all the way back up to Norbrook. That section is owned by the National Water Commission. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember, we give you updates on all the major construction projects every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.